Every time you use your Revolut card, the app rounds up your transactions to the nearest whole number and takes that extra change. Usually, this is a great way to save money. But lately, Revolut has been automatically converting that spare change into RevPoints instead of keeping it as cash. This might seem like a small detail, but if you prefer having actual money in your pocket rather than loyalty points that you might never use, you need to turn this off right now. If you stay with me until the end of this guide, I will show you a specific setting you should check to make sure your rounded up change actually goes into a high-interest savings vault instead of just sitting there. This automatic conversion happens because Revolut wants to encourage users to engage with their new rewards ecosystem. By default, many accounts were opted into this RevPoints spare change feature during a recent update. It works like a digital coin jar, but instead of coins, you get points that are intended for travel discounts or partner offers. The problem is that once your cash is converted into points, you cannot simply change it back into dollars or pounds. It is a one-way street, which is why your balance might feel like it is growing slower than usual, even though you are spending the same amount of money. To stop this and get your cash back, open your Revolut app and look at the navigation bar at the very bottom of your screen. You need to tap on the RevPoints tab, which is located in the bottom right corner. Once you are on the main RevPoints dashboard, do not get distracted by the different offers or point balances. You just need to tap on the Earn option and then scroll down until you find the section specifically labeled as the Spare Change option. This area shows you exactly how your current roundups are being handled. Click on that Spare Change setting to open the management menu. You will see a clear breakdown of how your transactions are being rounded up and where that money is going. To end the automatic conversion, you simply need to look for the button that says Deactivate. Once you tap Deactivate, the app will stop turning your physical currency into digital points immediately. Your spare change will no longer be reinvested or converted into RevPoints from this moment forward. Now that you have regained control over your change, here is the pro tip I mentioned earlier. Instead of just turning the feature off and letting that extra change sit in your main account where it is easy to spend, go into your hub and create a dedicated savings vault. You can then reactivate spare change specifically for that vault. This ensures that every time you buy a coffee, those extra cents are tucked away in an account that actually earns you interest every single day. This turns a loyalty point scheme back into a real wealth-building tool. If you want to see how to maximize the interest rates on those specific vaults, you should check out my deep dive on Revolut interest pockets next.